Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English. Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Rajasthan Government Adarsh Women's College. Today we are going to read HSC 2022 English first paper, short syllabus, Unit 12, Lesson 2. Title of the unit: Environment and Nature. The Hakaluki Haur. Serial of classes 65 and 66. Today we are reading Environment and Nature. The Hakaluki Haur. The Hakaluki Haur. Title of the chapter: The Hakaluki Haur. Hakaluki Haur is located both in Moulibazar and Sylhet districts. It is one of the Bangladesh's largest and one of Asia's larger wetland resource. It is the home of numerous animals, fishes, birds, and large variety of flora and fauna. Fishes of 170 species are available in the Haur. Some tasty and nutritive fishes like chela, jhela, padda, lalchanda are extinct from here. There are different kinds of rare plants, animals, birds you will find here. It is famous It is famous for a wide variety of waterfowl as well as wintering migratory birds. So it is a good place for bird lovers and photographers. The Haur provides mass economic benefits to locals. They can commercially cultivate fish, irrigate land, graze cattle, and get bumper crops. In rainy season, it takes youthful and significant looks like an infinite water kingdom. In winter, it becomes a vast great grassland with pockets of bills for migratory birds. This unique natural beauty is a major attraction for the tourists. হাকালুকি হাওর মৌলভীবাজার ও সিলেট জেলায় উভয় জেলা অবস্থিত। এটি বাংলাদেশের সর্ববৃহৎ ও এশিয়ার জলাভূমিগুলির একটি। এটি অসংখ্য জীবজন্তু, মাছ, পাখি এবং বিভিন্ন প্রজাতির উদ্ভিদ ও ও প্রাণীর আবাসস্থল। একশো 7 প্রজাতির মাছ এই হাওরে ছিল, কিন্তু সুস্বাদু ও পুষ্টিকর মাছ যেমন চেলা, ঢেলা, পাবদা, লালচান্দা এখান থেকে বিলুপ্ত হয়ে গেছে। তুমি এখানে বিভিন্ন প্রকার দুর্লভ উদ্ভিদ, প্রাণী, পাখি খুঁজে পাবে। এটি বিচিত্র সব জলচর পাখি এবং শীতকালীন অতিথি পাখির জন্য বিখ্যাত। তাই এটি পাখি অনুরাগী ও আলোকচিত্র গ্রাহকদের জন্য একটি দারুণ জায়গা। এই হাওরটি স্থানীয় জনগণের প্রচুর আর্থিক সুবিধার যোগান দেয়। তারা বাণিজ্যিকভাবে মাছ চাষ করা, জমিতে সেচ দেওয়া, গবাদি পশু চড়ানো এবং প্রচুর শস্য উৎপাদন করতে পারে। বর্ষাকালে এটি অসীম জলরাজ্যের মতো নতুন ও চমৎকার রূপ ধারণ করে। শীতকালে এটি অতিথি পাখিদের জন্য বিলের ছোট্ট ছোট্ট সবুজ তৃণভূমিতে পরিণত হয়। এই অনবদ্য প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্য পর্যটকদের প্রধান আকর্ষণ। ওয়ার্ম আপ অ্যাক্টিভিটি। রিড দ্য টাইটেল of the article and look at the picture. Do not read the text yet. Guess what kind of information you are likely to get from this article. In the picture, I am likely to get information about a haor. I think this is one of the major wetlands of Bangladesh. By reading this article, I shall get information about the Hakaluki haor, which supports a rich biodiversity and resting place for migratory birds. It also abounds with lots of different species of fishes. Now let us go to the text. Now read the article and see how much of the above information you can find there. First question. There are some questions. Do you know anything about the Hakaluki haor? তুমি কি হাকালুকি হাওর সম্পর্কে কিছু জানো? Yes, it is located in Greater Sylhet and it contains more than 238 interconnecting bills. হ্যাঁ, এটি বৃহত্তর সিলেটে অবস্থিত এবং প্রায় 238টি বেশি আন্তঃসংযোগকারী বিল আছে। হোয়াট ইজ ইটস ল্যান্ড এরিয়া? দ্য অ্যাবাউট 18,386 hectares. What kinds of fishes are available here? Answer. Friend 2. A wide variety of fishes including the main fish species of calvados, boal, rui, ghagoti, padda and chapulia are available here. Do the migratory birds come here when and when? এখানে কি অতিথি পাখি আসে? কখন? Yes, a lot of migratory birds migrate to water flows including waterfowls, including the bare-headed goose, come here from the north in winter. What is the economic importance? The haor provides a wide range of economic and non-economic benefits to the local people as well as to the people of Bangladesh. Now read the article and see the how much of the above information you can find it. এখন অনুচ্ছেদটি পড়ো এবং দেখো তুমি এতে উপরের তথ্যগুলো কতটুকু পেতে পারো। Bangladesh is blessed with huge inland open water resource. It has numerous rivers, canals, beels, lakes, and vast areas of flat plains. Hakaluki Haor is one of the major wetlands of Bangladesh. Hakaluki Haor is one of the major wetlands of Bangladesh. With a land area of 18,386 hectares, it supports a rich biodiversity and provides direct and indirect livelihood benefits to nearly 1,90,000 people. This house was declared an ecologically critical area in April 1999 by the government of Bangladesh. Hakaluki is a complex ecosystem containing more than 238 interconnecting beels and jalmahals. The most important bills are bills are Chatla, Pinarkona, Dulla, Shakwa, Barajala, Balizhuri, Lamba, Tikonia, Haurkhal, Tural, Bagarkuri, and Chinaura. These are the bills that are interconnected with the Hakaluki Haor. Hakaluki Haor is bounded by the Kushiara River as well as a part of the Sonai Bardal River to the north, by the Fenchugons Pulaura Railway to the west and to the south, and by the Pulaura Bianibaza Road to the east. Haor falls under two administrative districts, Moulibazar and Sylhet. Some 1,90,000 people live in the area surrounding the Haor. Hakaluki Haor is an important source of fisheries resources for Bangladesh. Kalbaush, Boal, Rui, Ghagot, Padda, and Chapalia are the main fish species found here. From the Kushiara, there are frequent upstream movement of fish towards the beels and tributaries of Hakaluki. The beels in Hakaluki Haor provide winter shelter for the mother fisheries in early monsoon. These mother fisheries produce millions of fries for the entire downstream fishing communities. Food plains are also an important source of fisheries resource within the Haor area. However, many of the beels have lost their capacity to provide shelter for mother fisheries because of sand deposits from upstream rivers and canals. Use of complete dewatering technique for fishing and lack of aquatic plants to provide feed and shelter for parent fish. The Haor is very important nesting place for migratory birds, migratory waterfowls flying in from the north. The most interesting species is bare-headed goose, which is now hardly seen in fresh water wetlands. Many other important species of waterfowls make their temporary home. Unfortunately, illegal poaching has been a threat to the waterfowl population in this vast wetland. Hakaluki Haor is known as a good grazing land in winter. People from villages around the Haor and also from distant areas send their herds for grazing. During this time, herders make temporary shelters near the bill and graze their animals for a period of 4 to 5 months. The Haor had very dense swamp forests in the past, but deforestation and lack of conservation practices have virtually destroyed this unique forest in the last 2 decades. Two small patches of swamp forests still exist in the area, of which one is Chatlabil and the other near the village of Kalikrishnapur. With the exception of these two swamp forest patches, the vegetation surrounding Hakaluki Haor is unique. It includes both swamp forest as well as mixed evergreen rainforest. Thatching material is the most useful natural wetland product of the area. The Haor system provides a wide range of economic and non-economic benefits to the local people as well as to the people of Bangladesh. These include fish production, rice production, cattle and buffalo rearing, duck rearing, collection of reeds and grasses, and collection of aquatic and other plants. The Haor system also protects the lower foot plains from flash floods occurring in the months of April and May, maintains the supply of fish in other lower water bodies, and provides habitat for migratory and local waterfowls. The unique Haor system contributes to the beauty of the landscape both during the monsoon and the dry season. In monsoon, its unique scenic beauty makes it a huge natural bowl of water, and in the dry season it becomes a vast green grassland with pockets of bills serving as resting places for migratory birds. This unique natural system can be a major attraction for tourists. Hakaluki Haor is an important source of fisheries in Bangladesh as it abounds with various kinds of fishes, including the main species like kalbaus, boal rui, gagot, padda and chapila. These are frequent upstream movement of fish towards the bills and tributaries of Hakaluki Haor from the river Kushiara. Moreover, it provides winter shelter for the mother fisheries, which produce millions of flies for the entire downstream fishing communities during the early monsoon. What economic benefit does the Haor provide to locals? The Hakaluki Haor provides a wide range of economic benefits to the local people as well as to the people of Bangladesh. This includes fish production, rice production, cattle and buffalo rearing, duck rearing, collection of reeds and grasses, and collection of aquatic and other plants. This is the economic benefits of Hakaluki Haor. The Hakaluki Haor is one of the major wetlands of Bangladesh. It has an area of 18,386 hectares. It is a complex ecosystem. It is located under two administrative districts of Maulibajar and Sylhet. The unique system contributes to the beauty of the landscape both during the monsoon and the dry season. In monsoon, its unique scenic beauty makes it a huge natural bowl of water, and in the dry season, it becomes a vast green grassland with pockets of beans. This unique natural beauty is a major attraction of the tourists. Okay, thank you everybody.